About to do a hike, mile-and-a-half hike from Magen's Bay here up into the rainforest. All right, ready to get your hike on?
Yeah.
Do it. Lead the way. You're not even going to use the rope, huh? Seven, 8, 9, 10.
Does it look at the final destination? Wow.
Look at that view. So you can see where we started on. You can see the area of the trail that we started on. All the way back there. Do you look?
I don't know. I can't see. My throat hurts though. Do a cool pose. Oh wow, it's pretty up here.
Anyway, according to her GPS, we are very close to the end of this trail. And then, when we get to the end, we gotta turn back around and walk all the way back down. All right, we made it. This is it. This is the top. All right, we made it to the top. This is, I think, technically the start, but since we did it backwards, we did it all the way up, and now we're gonna go all the way back down. How do you feel? Accomplished.
Tired and accomplished.
What do you rate the trail?
On what basis?
Out of 5 stars.
No, I mean like skill, difficulty.
Difficulty.
Oh, I feel like a 7, 8.
Oh, out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay. There's another warning sign, hike at your own risk. Well, it's dark, so yes, it will be risky. We're still in the freaking rainforest. The night has fallen. We didn't plan this out very well. It's pitch black here. Can't see.
Oh!
Oh, fuck. You okay?
Yeah, I just tripped unexpectedly.
Okay. So we have been lost in the rainforest for about an hour now.
Yeah, but I think this is where we came in.
But I think Echo found the right path here.
Ah!
Hey, we did it. We made it. All right, okay, so now we just gotta find the car.